Hey, welcome back to LR Options. In today's video, we're going to look to when to trade calls. We're going to be using the AMC stock, Apple stock, and AT&T stock as examples. So over here we've got the AMC stock, and what we're looking at is the trend right now. And well, not right now, but we're going to go all the way back to December or November 23rd, 2021. And we see that the stock is going in a downtrend. Okay, and we don't only have to trade in a downtrend if we feel that we want to put in a call trade. Let's say we get to down here. Let's say we're down here and it's December the 13th. And we see a green bar appear. Okay, then we have a confirming green bar. We can enter a trade for a call trade. So just because we're going in a downtrend and the stock is under the 20 moving average indicator and under the 200 moving average indicator doesn't mean that we have to trade in a downtrend. Okay, once the stock comes down and it starts to pull back, we can trade the pullback, and the pullback would be a call trade. So and if you don't want to trade, because you see this is a over here you have this bar has a very long tail, so you might want to just wait for the next bar, which is a red bar, and then another green candle which overtakes that red bar. Then you can enter a trade here. Okay, and you can hold on to it for maybe 1, 2, or 3 days. I wouldn't hold on to this trade for too long because it's just a pullback. It's not going to be, going on for very long. Okay, then the trade continues downward. Okay, continues to go down. Okay, then you have a small pullback over here. It comes down and a small pullback. So in a downtrend, you don't have to just trade puts. You can also trade calls. Okay, you just have to wait for that call for the you just have to wait for the pullback. All right, you see a green candle, you see a confirming green candle, and then you can enter a trade. And again, don't hold on to it for very long because it's going to be turning back around. It's going to be going back in its trend, into its trend. Let's see, let's look at Apple stock. Okay, let's see. Right here. Okay, so, right now it's in an uptrend. Okay, but if you see the pullbacks. Okay, look at the pullbacks. Okay, the pullbacks have some uptrends too. So if you can see, it's going down, then you see a little green candle and another green candle. Okay, so you see that. Okay, so this part of the stock is going down. Now it's going back up. Okay, so once you see a confirming green candle, you can enter that trade. Already, you can continue going up. Okay, pulls back a little, and then you can continue going back up. Okay, and you see that several times. You see little pullbacks, and it goes back up. Small pullbacks, it goes back up. Okay, pullback, goes back up. And yes, this is an uptrend right here. The stock is above the 200 and the 20 moving indicators, but those little pullbacks are little downtrends. Okay, and then you can go back up. Over here, it's in a little downtrend. Okay, which is also a little pullback, and then you can enter to go back up. All right, so let's look at another stock. Let's look at AT&T. Okay, let's Here we go. Okay, AT&T is in a downtrend right here. We're going to go as far back as August 18, 2021. So it's in a it's in an obvious downtrend, but you don't have to trade that downtrend. Okay, so let's say you've been watching and you see that it's in a downtrend, but you missed it. Let's say you wanted to get in here, you missed it, now you're down here. Okay, well, you don't have to feel like you have to wait for the next time the stock pulls down. You can trade that pullback, okay? And that pullback will be a call trade. So you've got a green candle. You've got a confirming green candle. You can enter here, all right? And you can exit over here. As soon as you see the green candle, you can exit right here. Okay, again, you got small pullbacks, but you've got a large, okay, it's going to the downtrend right here, large red candles. Okay, those are the dominant candles in the downtrend. Okay, then you see a green candle, confirming green candle. You can enter there and exit over here. Enter for a call trade. Okay, then it continues down. Okay, you see this green candle overtakes this red candle. You can enter there, exit over here. All right, over here, same thing. Comes down, large green candle. Whenever you see a large green candle, it's a good indication you can enter a call trade. Go in there. And then exit here when you see the first red candle. Same thing again. Okay, you have a large, and over here you have a huge pullback. Okay, you see a large green candle. Passes the 20 moving average indicator. That's a good indication for you to enter into the call trade. Okay, you enter here. Okay, or you want to enter when you see a confirming green candle, and you can exit over here, or another large green candle. You can enter the trade here. Okay, you can exit anywhere you see a red candle. You could have exited here, exited here, exited here, because you wouldn't have known where where it was going to continue going down anyway. So it would have been, it would have been fine for you to exit any of those areas right there. Now the stock continues in a big downturn right there. Let me get rid of these drawings. Okay, continues down here. Confirming green candle, you enter there, don't hold it too long, and then you exit there. Okay, so all right, we're gonna end this video here. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. It helps the channel to grow. We appreciate it. We appreciate you stopping by, visiting our channel. We hope you got something and you learned something from our channel. Please comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.